Hello, Dragan. This is a few days after forest fire. A little bit too much suspicious forest fire caused after a Montenegro assembly vote for Srebrenica genocide, where Serbs are not accused, defined as people who did it. So in my English, I am looking some cars not to hit me, and as you see, it was like a war zone. You can see in previous two videos, and now you see the scars from that event. And few days after, a day after that, across the Albanian border, it was also fire. So now you can see the devastation, and this is not just missing woods or trees. It's a people help. Fumes produced by forest fires are terrible, and environmental impact. So yeah, I think it's good for you to see what can be caused very easily by dangerous government. Thank you.